Hello, lovers of cars. Ever wonder what an automobile collection valued at $30 million looks like? You're going to have a wild ride. We're exploring the world of Steve Hamilton today, as well as the Hamilton Collection, the storied repository of some of the most incredible automobiles on YouTube. To the automobile community, Steve, the man behind the wheel, requires no introduction. We all wish we knew this automotive legend, who lets high school students drive his supercars to graduation and uses his hypercars as intended. So fasten your seatbelts and join us as we explore the vehicles that turn the Hamilton Collection into a veritable automotive haven. The myth behind the wheels. Why then is Steve Hamilton the buzz of the automotive industry? It's about how he communicates the passion of the car, not just the collection. Imagine 16 seniors in high school driving their supercars to graduation with no need for adult supervision. Steve is defying the stereotype of the hypercar owner there. He releases these animals into the wild, in contrast to others who preserve them as museum exhibits. These vehicles are designed to feel the road, not just look good. Steve has a way of making everyone in the car industry feel like family. He's the person next door with a fleet worth more than most neighborhoods, not the remote owner. Hamilton Collection automobiles. Let's now discuss the vehicles, which are the true stars of the show. Worth over $30 million, the Hamilton Collection is more than simply a garage. It's a haven for supercar enthusiasts. First on the list is the Pagani Huayra Roadster from 2017. Imagine a $3 million beast that can drive from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds, and it has a vibrant red cabin. The 2019 Bugatti Chiron is the next unique vehicle discussed here. It was involved in a $50,000 driveway accident and other viral footage. Next, we enter the domain of the macabre with the 2015 Ferrari LaFerrari, which is a member of the Holy Trinity. Dressed in a black suit, this 950 horsepower V12 hybrid engine is a track weapon. Let's take a closer look at the Hamilton Collection's Holy Trinity, as automotive enthusiasts refer to it. A unique vehicle, the 2014 McLaren P1 is identified as the 28 375ths in eye-catching volcano red. Not only does it have 903 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, but what really makes it stand out is the visceral, unadulterated feel. A straight-pipe exhaust system and Vossen wheels are two examples of the unique touches. There is nothing conventional about the Porsche 918 Spyder Weissach package 2015. It drops 90 pounds for a dash to 60 miles per hour, which even leaves the LaFerrari in the dust, thanks to its gray finish and guards red highlights. Now, let's go back in time and explore a historical segment featuring the 1983 Cadillac Fleetwood Limo, found in the Hamilton Collection. With its proud vanity plate, this gray beauty is more than just your average speed demon. It's a time capsule from the 1980s. Envision an interior with blue cloth and a functional tube TV. This is more than just a car. It's a window into the days of neon lights and cassette tapes. Steve has big intentions for this slow cruiser. An LS exchange and heart transplant are in the works. The 2022 Lamborghini Urus is the workhorse of the Hamilton Collection, moving from traditional appeal to contemporary muscle. This is no ordinary Lambo, rather, it's a 4-seater, 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 beast that loves going on daily adventures. Not only is it visually appealing, but its trendy Verde Mantis green color makes it a sensible option for Steve's everyday routine. Thanks to its shared DNA with Audi vehicles, it's more than simply a showpiece, it's a dependable daily driver. As a result, the Urus steals the show as the collection's favorite hypercar, even though the other models may have their moments of glory. The 2021 Rizvani Hercules Military Edition 6x6 is the next item on the list. This is no average vehicle, rather. It's a $500,000 beast designed to withstand bombs and bullets. This 6x6 is a fortress on wheels, with windows and door panels that would make James Bond envious. It's more than simply an off-road vehicle. What are the features? A public address system, run-flat tires of the highest caliber used by the military, a siren, and a smoke screen for those spectacular exits. Get ready. But what moves this monstrous creature? A staggering 1,300 horsepower from a 7.0-liter supercharged V8. It's a tank with a hint of elegance, not just an automobile. Next up is the 2006 Ford GT, which is yet another classic. This vehicle, which is painted a timeless crimson with white stripes, is more than simply a tribute to automotive icons. It's a representation of timeless style. There's a 5.4 liters V8 supercharged engine with 550 horsepower under the hood. Power is important, but so is the rush of going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.4 seconds. This Ford GT, the second-to-last vehicle in the 2004-6 series, is not only getting older but also turning into a $1 million masterpiece at the Hamilton Collection. Next up is a 1987 Lamborghini Countach LP 500S, which dates back to the 1980s. This isn't just any car, it's the Wolf of Wall Street prototype, an iconic vehicle that still draws attention today, dressed in triple white. First, brought here from England, Evans Automotive in Columbus, Ohio, gave it a makeover. What was the outcome? A Countach that adds a distinctive symphony to its reputation, in addition to roaring with a 4.8-liter V12 engine and a special Craigslist exhaust. There were only 321 LP 500S vehicles produced, so this Countach is unique, especially in its immaculate all-white outfit. Keeping a Countach in good condition is no easy feat, but at the Hamilton Collection, it's a monument to the preservation of automotive history. Folks, there you have it. We've journeyed across the Hamilton Collection, discovering a unique automotive paradise. Steve Hamilton has an incredible collection of automobile marvels in his garage, ranging from traditional charms to hypercar thrills. However, this is only the start of the journey, it's not the end. There are always new stories and vehicles to be added to the Hamilton Collection. So click the subscribe button and come along for the ride. Because these vehicles merit countless likes on social media. Hold on tight, tune in, and until the next time, never lose your enthusiasm for automobiles.